Good morning, you guys, and happy Sunday. Y'all, it is so early. I think it's like 8 o'clock in the morning. Not even, probably like 7:40. But I woke up a little earlier so I can get this Sunday reset vlog started. Caleb's in there sleeping. He has to work at 10. Y'all put this purple lip balm on and it looked weird. It looked like I just got like freaking lipstick on, but I promise I didn't put lipstick on this early in the morning. It's a tinted lip balm. So I need to get in this kitchen and clean, like for real. Like I need to do the dishes. Something in there stinks. It smells like throw up. And I'm like, oh no, baby. I'm all crusty, y'all. I just woke up. Like I just got out of bed. I'm all crusty. Like I look so bad. But yeah, let's get this Sunday reset video started. Caleb is finally awake. Yeah. It is 8:53. He goes to work at 10. So you got like an hour kinda. But I told him, I was like, yeah, I was vlogging this morning. He was like, you was vlogging me? Or you was vlogging while I was eating? I was like, yeah. What do you mean? But he's making his coffee right now. And what are you gonna make? A bagel? Bagel. Nice. But yeah, I'm like finished cleaning. I just have to vacuum like every room. And then that's it. So I'm about to make Caleb's lunch for work. So we got him a sandwich. We got this bread, the marble rye. Y'all don't mind my washer in the back. This washer is so loud. Like I always do laundry like either like super early in the morning to get that sound over with, or like later in the day because it's so annoying. But just don't mind it. All right, so we got this bread, and then we're gonna use this meat from Aldi. Everything is from Aldi. And then this is the cheese we're gonna use. So let's assemble this lunch. It is pretty bad though.
I don't want to go.
Don't. Stay home with me. Yay! He's going to work now. Boo. Boo. Boo.
And I'm taking the vlog with me. Y'all coming with me to work. Y'all gonna see the in, the outs, the arounds.
Y'all will see how horrible Goodwill really is, honestly. It's so bad. It's so bad, you guys. You guys don't even know. But whatever. All right, you guys. So I am actually about to wash my hair. This is my first wash day with the lock extensions. I'm like low-key scared. Why am I scared? I'm gonna wash and retwist. Because the gel that my mom used to retwist it when she first put them in, it like made my head really itch. Like my skin or my scalp did not have a good reaction to it. So I kind of want to wash that out of here. And plus, they just need a wash. So I'm gonna go ahead and wash it. Why am I scared? Like, I feel like if I wash it, all of them gonna come out, which is not true, but I'm so scared. Yeah, so let's go do that. Washed. Now it's time for retwist time. I have not retwisted in a head in so long, y'all. I don't even know if I can still. Like, it's not the hardest thing in the world, especially if you just go by, you know, sections. Like, it's not the hardest thing in the world. It's just like one of those things where, like, once you get the hang of it, you get the hang of it, and then once you lose that hang, you lose that hang. So I'm just gonna section it off first into 4 like little ponytails. I'm telling you, the more you work in sections, the easier it is. I'm gonna be using this gel right here, the Big Papa, and then some oil. I don't know if this is a good hold, but this is the only gel that I really got. So I like to start in the back. Always like to work back to front. Always, you guys, always. This isn't a tutorial. I'm just kind of, you know, doing what I do, taking some gel, and then just retwisting it like that. Like, this is not a tutorial, y'all. I got some clips here. These clips, I had these clips when I had my other locks, and I just never got rid of them. Thank goodness. So yeah, I got some clips, y'all. All right, you guys, I am down to my last 4, I believe. Yes, 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh my god, let's go. Oh, it's taking me about like an hour to do this, because some of these are interlocked. Because I forgot when I first got them, we had to interlock some of them because my hair was just so thick. I am finally done. Oh my god, you guys, look, I'm finally done. That's taking me about like an hour, almost an hour and a half, not gonna lie. But I'm gonna put some of this mousse on the top. Oh, that's taking me so long. What the heck? I mean, I kind of expected that, so that's not even that long, honestly, but whatever. Once I get the hang of it more, then I should be good, like going on forward. Yeah. All right, and then I'm gonna put some of this oil on it, on my scalp. Just so, you know, I can have some oil on my scalp. And then last thing I'm gonna do is just put a scarf on so that mousse can set. I don't even think I'm using the right mousse, but whatever. And then I'm just gonna let this dry. I'm probably gonna have this in my head for, I don't even know, for as long as I want, honestly, you guys. All right, you guys, so I was actually just watching this vlog. It's a Japan vlog, and it's made by It's Zay Bebe. It's like an hour long, and it's like her trip to Japan, and this is like chef kisses. So I'm over here watching that vlog of hers. I'm actually subscribed to her. I just seen it on my, you know, recommended, but I'm gonna go ahead and subscribe to her because I like her vibe. I'm still waiting on that laundry to get done, and once that's done, I'm gonna put that up in the closet. You know, I'm not gonna wait, because usually I'd be waiting, and it'd be like a week, and I still got laundry to do. Hate that. So I'm just gonna get it out of the way quick. I also went ahead and cut me up some mangoes so I can watch this vlog eating some mangoes. Y'all, the way I be cutting these mangoes, just don't be acknowledging. Like, I can cut them way better, but oh well. Y'all probably tired of seeing me wash my face on here. I'm sorry, y'all, but this is real. Y'all, remember those pimple patches that I put in the cart from Marshall's? So when we were leaving, my mom was like, why don't we just go to Target? Because we were going to go to Target. And she was like, why don't you just get some of the good pimple patches? I was like, okay, whatever. Yeah, we was all up in Target. Forgot about them. And then on the way back to my parents' place, you know, I was just driving, and I was like, oh snap, the pimple patches. So I done forgot, y'all. It's okay. But, I mean, I didn't really want them, but it would have been cool to have, because like I said, I keep getting pimples on my face. It's so cold here in Florida. Y'all in Georgia, like, girl, we got snow. I'm sorry. Oh, if I woke up and I seen snow, I would legit crash out. Like, that crash out would be so crazy. Like, it would be so valid too. But like, what do you mean it's snowing? What do you mean it's like, what? Oh, I don't know, y'all. It's just getting crazy. It's just getting crazy. Like, I would legit crash out if I saw snow. So I got these face masks. Y'all got these like sometime last year. Hopefully they're still good. Do face masks expire? I'm not really too sure if face masks expire. Hopefully not. I'm praying that it doesn't. Because, you know, I'm putting this on my face and it's gonna expire. Am I the only one who hates the way face masks feel? Y'all, I barely do face masks. Like, I only do it when I remember, and I seem to never remember. But I just hate the way they feel. They're so slimy. Like, like it makes me want to cry. Oh my god. They're cold, and it's just too much, and they never fit my big forehead. Okay. And they never fit my nose or my lips either. So, okay, this one kind of fit my nose. All right, so I'm gonna leave this on for about like 10 minutes. Are we slaying or what? I can't, like you can't move your, like, I feel like I need to like widen this up. There we go. Jeez. So I got some laundry right here that I need to do, you guys. Oh my gosh, I got so much laundry to do, y'all. This pile of clothes have been sitting in the dryer for like all last week, so we need to put those up. Like I said, I cleaned out my closet. Like, you guys, this was so bad. Like, it was clothes everywhere on the floor. So I done cleaned out my closet. This is Caleb's side. This is my side. He has way more clothes than me, you guys. I told you I got rid of so much stuff because everything did not fit me. He needs to honestly do the same too. His side is a little okay. We need to like organize this and stuff, but that's fine. But yeah, I cleaned this thing out, like, for real. Like, honestly, like, I could not stare at it anymore. But we definitely need to do like an organization thingy. All right, let's take this mask off. Oh my gosh. Oh, it's like skin peeling. Oh wow. Oh, this is about to have my skin glowing. Put some on my neck. Put some on my neck though. Oh, this is about to have me glowing for real. Yo, you know what I was like realizing is that, like, it's crazy how, like, when you realize like how much your body or like your skin or whatever, your hair has like changed so much since you were like a teenager? Like, or like your skin like reacts to this differently than it did when you were a teenager. Like your body reacts to this differently than it did when when you were a teenager. I don't know. It's just real crazy to me. Like, it's real crazy when you just actually realize that. Like, you're like, whoa, like, I am not a teenager anymore. Like, I am 23. I am a 23-year-old teenager. Like, I am not 18, 19 anymore. Like it's crazy. Like, I am a full-blown adult. Like, people see me and they're like, adult. I hope. Because some people still think I'm like 18. Kid you not, y'all. Me and Caleb actually did a test in Marshall's before. Because I was telling him, I was like, people sometimes think I'm like 17, 18. And he's like, no way. Because he was telling me how people think he's way older, which is true. Because I remember some of y'all thought that I was dating like a 40-year-old man. I was like, what? Or like a 30-year-old man. Everybody was asking me, you know, how old is he? Oh my gosh, he looks so much older than you. No. But we had went into Marshall's and I was like, okay. So we went to go check out. And I asked the cashier, I was like, oh, how old do you think I am? Just based off my looks, you know? And she was like, 17, 18? I was like, I looked at Caleb, I was like, told you. No, baby, I'm 23. About to be 24 this year. Ayy. 24 this year. Oh, man, it's crazy, though. Like, it's for real crazy. All right, guys, we're coming to the end of the vlog. I'm so sorry, but there's many more to come. Don't forget. Like I'm for real with these uploads. I don't know if you can tell, but like I'm for real. Like I'm serious. Like this is real. This is real. The comment of the video is mangoes. Comment down below mango, or comment a mango emoji, whatever, up to you. If you made it to the end, cause you're a real one, and I need to know who is loyal and who is a real one and who is watching to the end. Cause like we love to see who watches to the end. Like I love to see you guys commenting down, you know, the comment of the video. It just makes my day. I'm like, oh, they made it to the end. Yes, they watched everything. It just makes my day so much. So comment down below mango if you made it to the end of this video. Like, comment, subscribe, and thanks for watching. Bye.